Hello, you join me here again in the Axminster workshops. Today I'm going to be looking at tool storage. Now everybody's familiar, I'm sure, with things like a shadow board. Shadow boards are great for hanging your tools up and making sure they go in the same place each time. The only trouble with them, if you change your tools or if you change your workshop design in any way, then you have to change the shadow board to suit. I want to look at a new range of tool storage from Bott, a local company down here in the southwest, down in Bude, who manufacture this heavy-duty tool storage. Several good qualities about this storage itself. It's extremely heavily built. You've got fully rolled edges, you've got fully flanged reinforced construction, and a really nice selection of hanging hooks available. Now if you come in closer to have a look at these hooks, they like many perforated systems, they can be quite loose. If you want them to go in nice and easily, they have to have a fairly loose fit. So what this has is a nice little locking system. So there's a little lock nut there, and with the Perfo tool, if we pop that little lock in and then give it a twist, that's now locked that in absolutely solid. You can hang the heaviest of your workshop tools on there without them coming down. So let's have a closer look at why I like this so much. You can see the reinforcement slats on here, and they double up obviously to give the board strength, but also when you're connecting these to the wall, you're going to be hanging a lot of weight from these slats, so they need to have a lot of holding positions and a lot of reinforcing slats. Again, if you look at the wall, you'll see that each one of these boards is the same depth, but they differ in length. So that means whatever you do with your workshop, when you change the layout, you can adjust the boards to suit. They fit pretty much any shape. Likewise, the variety of hooks available, same sort of thing. Now that theme's carried through into the cupboard systems also, and here what we've done is just laid it out in a rough scenario of what you might have in your workshop. We put away some of the more expensive tools, and as you can see again, you've got that same heavy construction here, that Perfo system to hang on all the hooks. They've all got locks on them as well. So there, just to summarise there, you've got a really heavily constructed tool storage by a British company, well made, well laid out, and something that will grow and evolve with your workshop.